There are some home items that look really great online, but they actually don't make your real life any easier. Today, I'm sharing 10 affordable things that I genuinely love. I use them almost every single day, and I would buy them again in a heartbeat. Now, this first item completely changed how I live and how my family lives in our space. I'm a big fan of an area rug already for visual reasons. I love how it can anchor your room. I always recommend having an area rug that is as large as possible, that can at least fit underneath the front legs of your furniture or extend a couple feet all the way around your dining room table like this one here. But the amazing thing about this particular rug is the fact that it is washable. So you can actually put this in your washing machine, and also it's really easy to spot clean with something like a microfiber cloth. The one here in my dining room is a low pile rug, so it is really easy to wipe clean. Plus, it's pretty much the softest rug that we've ever set foot on, and I love the pattern. It's that vintage inspired look, comes in tons of different colors and patterns too. I have a few of these in the same brand name in my home, and I'll make sure to link it down in the description box below, along with all of my favorites I'm mentioning in today's video. I love that I'm not tense around this rug. I'm not hovering over it every time someone spills something. I have my coffee station in this room, and my previous rug was a light colored rug that was really hard to wash, and now I don't have to worry about any coffee spills, coffee syrup spills, or anything like that. I believe the coziest homes should not be precious. I believe they should be ones that you can actually relax and live your life in. Okay, now this one is kind of boring, but it is also amazing because it's something that you're going to use every single day like I do. It's gonna bring a smile to your face when you do. And it's these microfiber cloths. I discovered these a little over a year ago. And what I love about them is that number one, they're affordable. Number two, they have this really nice waffle texture that does a good job of scrubbing countertops, dishes, etc. Plus they have the perfect grippy microfiber fabric. They wash really well in my machine. They come in a variety of colors. Mine still look pretty good after over a year. I have washed mine and used mine over and over again hundreds of times in my home. And this sounds like a small item, but trust me, these everyday items, when you find something that you use and love, they are so worth it. A few years ago, I bought one of those viral cleaning brushes, the long-handled ones, and I hated it. It had zero power for cleaning what I wanted to clean with it, which was my shower and my floors. So when I discovered this solution and it worked, I was so happy, and I tell everybody about these all the time. These are brush heads that you can actually put on a drill that you already have. So I have this pack that comes with a few different brush shapes, and you can easily just swap the brush heads on your drill, and your drill has so much power that when you clean with these, it works really well. I especially like using a combo of the brush with my drill, and one of my favorite shower cleaning solutions to get my glass in my shower perfect every time. Also amazing for grout lines in tile, gets them nice and clean, and there's even a corner brush that really works on the corner of your shower. What I love about these is they turn jobs that I used to absolutely avoid and hate, like cleaning corners of my shower, into something that is so much quicker, so much easier, and that to me is completely worth it. Now this one is another one of those tiny things that makes a huge difference in my day-to-day life, and it's these simple little cord organizers. Now my husband and I like to put our phones on our nightstands when we go to sleep and charge them. Before, we'd have to kind of search around for our charging cords. They'd be on the floor, they'd be by the window, but these little adhesive organizers stick to the side of your nightstand or your side tables by your bed really easily. They open and close. You can slide that charging cord through, and you can find it every single time. Keeps your cords nice and organized and easy to access. It also comes in a variety of colors. I chose black because I wanted it to blend in with the black of my nightstands. So I love anything that makes use of space that would normally be wasted, that is often vertical space. And these adhesive hooks are one of those things. They're really easy to install anywhere. I installed one on the bottom of an IKEA shelf in my entryway to store our keys. I installed another one in that same path on the bottom of my upper kitchen cabinets to store cooking utensils. These spin around fully so you can easily reach all of the items you have hanging on these hooks. And the adhesive on these is nice and strong, and I haven't had any problems with them falling off of my shelf or my cabinets. I love that they turn awkward, unused space into something completely useful and practical. Really great for small kitchens and small spaces in your home. One thing you might be noticing about my list so far is it's not about perfectly aesthetic home decor items. These are those practical items that I use and love every single day that just make my home and my life easier. Now, this next one extends the life of things that you already have, which I think is a wonderful way to save money and keep your things looking amazing for longer. This is an affordable little fabric shaver. It has a guard to protect the fabric. It has different speeds on it, really easy to use, compact, so it's easy to store, and it can remove any pilling on your furniture or even your clothing. It's also easy to recharge. It has a little USB port so you can recharge it with a regular USB charging cable. I've used this on furniture that has looked a little worse for wear. I've even used it on thrifted clothing, and it makes everything look so much more refreshed and not so worn out. Now, I love real candles and the way that they bring so much warmth and coziness to the space, but sometimes you want to get something that's a little bit safer. I've looked all over for realistic looking taper candles. I finally found these last fall and I love them. The flame looks beautiful. You can adjust it so it has a little bit of a candle flicker. You can use remotes, so really easy to use. And also they're made of a wax coating. They have little drips on the top, which I think gives them that realistic look that other taper candles I've seen don't have. I love that they give my home that atmosphere of coziness without having to worry about real flames. Now, this one is a small swap that makes a huge difference in how your countertops are gonna look in your kitchen. It's these oil and vinegar jars. I've had these for a few years now, and I love how they look on the counter. They have the little gold spouts, and they're also really easy to use. One of my favorite things in home decor and just setting up a home in general is making those everyday practical items look so much better, and that's the case with these oil and vinegar jars. It's one of my favorite kinds of upgrades. And speaking of kitchen countertops, here's another one that is practical and beautiful. It's this little wooden salt keeper. I love that this has a lid that's really easy to open. Love the warm wood on my countertop. Looks so much better than having my box of salt out on the counter, and I can easily scoop out of it with a little spoon, maybe leave a copper one or a gold one beside the container to make it look even better. The lid fits nice and snugly, so it keeps all that moisture out and keeps your salt ready to use for baking or cooking. Now, these solved that kind of clutter that I didn't know what to do with. I've used these stackable woven storage boxes in my living room, on my coffee table, and recently I put them in my home office. I have a bunch of tile and fabric samples that I use for my design clients. Didn't know where to put them in this space, but this was the perfect solution to store all of these samples, and then this stack looks really cute on top of my shelves in my office. I love that they add some texture and warmth to my space. Again, also fantastic in an area like a living room. You can put things like remotes inside. Just those everyday things you want to grab, but you don't want to see them out all the time. And when all of these little things have a home, like little storage boxes like this, your home feels so much more calm. And that's what all of these things have in common. They make my home life a lot more easier, not necessarily like styled and precious, but just easier. And that's honestly what I care most about in my home. And I know I said 10 items, but I do want to share one bonus item with you. Recently grabbed this a couple months ago, and it's actually really cute. It's this set of pillar candle look night lights. And I love that these turn on automatically in the dark. And the biggest reason that I like them is because they don't look and feel like night lights at all. They look like little pillar candles, and the light is just soft and warm and cozy. So not only are they practical for lighting up areas when you want to move around at night, but they look beautiful too. I put mine in the hallway and also in our little powder room. So when you're up at night, you just kind of have this gentle light everywhere. And if you like practical lived-in home ideas, just like what I shared in this video, I'm gonna leave a video for you to watch next up here. I'm sharing more easy ways to create a beautiful home on a budget, so click right here to watch that next.